This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable Bluetooth on an iPhone. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my iPhone opened up now. To enable or disable Bluetooth, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go to the little Settings app. I'm going to tap on Settings. Then you just scroll down just a little ways, and right here is Bluetooth. As you can see, I currently have my Bluetooth toggled off, but to enable it, I'm just going to tap on Bluetooth. And right here is the toggle to turn on or off Bluetooth. Right now mine is disabled. I'm going to enable it. And now if you scroll down a little further, you'll see all the devices that you have connected before to your Bluetooth. And down below that, as you can see, it's searching for other devices. And to turn it back off, you would just toggle this back off. That is how to enable or disable Bluetooth on an iPhone. Thanks for watching.